Hello and welcome. In this lecture video, we'll be doing these quick check problems that start on page 305 of your course pack. So I did these first two for you. So number 24, to buy into an existing partnership, the partner has to contribute cash. No, it can be some other form of assets, so that's a false statement. Number 28, when the current value of a partnership is greater than the recorded amounts of equity, the current partners usually require any new partner to pay a bonus for the privilege of joining. Yes, that is true. Okay, and then we look at number 667. It says a partnership recorded the following journal entry, and there's an error there in your notes where it doesn't give the journal entry. So here's the journal entry. So what I want you to do now is to pause the lecture video and do number 67. This is the journal entry that should have been on there, but I had to write it out there for you. And then I want you to also pause the lecture video and do this one. Do number 68 on page 306, and then do number 82 on page 307. Then restart the video and we'll check your work. Okay? Thanks. All right, so let's look to see how you did. So as I was saying on the prior page, right, on the back of this page, I'm sorry, we had the journal entry debit cash, debit B Tanner Capital for $10,000, debit cash $70,000, debit B Tanner Capital $10,000, debit R Jackson Capital $10,000, and then credit H Rivera Capital for $90,000. What does that journal entry reflect? That's A. It's not a withdrawal of a partner. Certainly not a withdrawal of a partner because there's a debit to cash. So B and E are wrong. It's not the additional investment by Tanner because we had an investment also by another partner. What it is, and it's also not the additional partner who pays a bonus to each of the other partners. No, because we debited the capital balances for B Tanner and R Jackson. This is actually a credit. This is a bonus, if you want to think of it that way, to the new partner because he's investing $70,000 but getting $90,000 in capital. So he's basically getting a bonus. Okay? So the right answer there is A. Okay, so let's look at number 68. Grow and Jackson are partners. Grow's capital balance in the partnership is $64,000 and Jackson's capital is $61,000. Grow and Jackson have agreed to share equally in income or loss. Grow and Jackson agreed to accept Block with a 20% interest. And so Block will invest $35,000 in the partnership. So we come over here, we take the existing capital balances plus the $35,000 right over there, gives us total equity of $160. That will be total capital of $160. And we see that Block gets 20%. So it gets $32,000. So this is basically a bonus to the existing partners. Okay? So when we look at the journal entry, sometimes doing the full journal entry helps you to solve these problems. So we debit cash for $35,000. We credit Grow Capital for $15,000. Now why $1,500? Because remember, it's investing $35,000 but only getting $32,000 in capital. So there's a difference there of $3,000. And we split that equally between the remaining partners. So $1,500 each. So this is the full journal entry, which makes the right answer A, $1,500 each. Okay? Let's look at number 82, which is the last one that I wanted you to look at. Chase and Hatch are partners and share equally in income or loss. Chase's current capital balance is $135. Hatch's is $120. Chase and Hatch agreed to accept Flax with the 30% interest in the partnership. And Flax invests $115,000. So we do the same thing that we did on the prior problem. We take our $135 right over here, that capital for Chase, Hatch's capital of $120, and then Flax's new capital of $115 gives us a total of $370 times our 0.3 gives us $111 that Flax is going to receive. Okay, but Flax is investing $115. So we're going to debit cash for $115, and then we credit Flax capital for $111. The difference between that is $4,000. So then we would credit Chase capital too and Hatch Capital 2. Okay, to get up to that 4,000 plus the 111, which equals how much cash was invested of 115. Okay, so I hope you got all those right. And then in the next lecture video, we're going to talk about liquidating a partnership. Okay, thanks so much.